So I already done a test with the Philips Ultinon access bulb in this free-form low beam reflector, and we also tested the overall brightness. But the performance in this free-form low beam reflector was very good, overall nice beam pattern, and since the bulb as tested was 20% brighter compared to the standard halogen, it also made for better performance in that low beam made from that freeform reflector. So you would get more light on the road and also in the correct places. But comparing a fairly big freeform reflector to this projector low beam reflector here, it requires a better design from the LED bulb to even mimic the halogen characteristics even better, to be able to have a good beam pattern and having the light hit the correct spots, making for a better performance and not putting the light in all the wrong places. So here we can see I mounted it into this low beam. This is a Hella made projector for halogens. So when looking at the beam pattern, I have to say it looks very good. Since the bulb is 20% stronger, we can see the overall brightness of the whole beam looks to put out more light, and also in the hot spots where we want more light, it's also brighter. And we don't have any dark spots that you maybe will have with a badly designed bulb, or with a bulb that is just physically too big in this kind of small reflector. So since this bulb is very small and also have small diodes and such, it's able to give us a good beam pattern that is close or even better than the halogen in my mind. And since this access bulb is around overall brightness 20% stronger than halogen, we can see that we get more light, and we even get more light in that hot spot. But since this is a much smaller kind of reflector, and projectors spread the light much more compared to a halogen freeform reflector, we also see that the hot spots, when looking at the percentage difference, is not as high of a difference that we saw compared to when we tested the LED bulb and halogen in that freeform reflector. Those hot spots are brighter with the projector, but not as high of a percentage difference as we saw in the freeform reflector. But overall, I think you would be very happy if you had this bulb mounted into your projector headlights, and as stated on the box, they have already looked at this, and it should be good for both reflector and projector halogen headlights. So yeah, I should have put this in that other video, but I kind of forgot to test this bulb in the projector headlight as well.